Alright, what's going on, y'all? Today is May 1st. Happy first of, happy first of the month. Um, Today, uh, I'm gonna be honest, I don't have much of a watch. I have some levels, but it's Friday. Fridays are usually my worst days because I'm always tired on Fridays, which I'm tired today, and I start taking pointless trades. So, to be honest, I'm not really looking to trade. I already gave myself a limit today, and I'm focusing on respecting that limit, other than over, a trade plan. But we still gonna talk about our levels, talk about what we could see today, and go from there. Um, so on QQQ, we broke our recent highs. Um, Sorry. We broke our recent highs. We made this high in the after hours, but it's not counting as the previous all-time high. So we have an all-time high at 668.90. If we get above that and take out this order block, this 5-minute order block at 669 like 20, then we'll definitely take out this previous high and we'll go for this 670 area. Above 670, 670 is going to be an important level today. If we can get above 670, we can continue this all-time high rip, which our next level is around 672. After 672, we got 675, and then we have 680. And we have another 1 month auto fib at 683. So those are some levels for the upside if we get above this 670. Now, if we reject 670, we could possibly see this 666.50, which is pre-market lows as of right now. If we lose pre-market lows, we could go retest the 664.50. After 664.50, we have 661. Then we have this pivot at 660. If we lose 660, we have 658.50. After that, 656, and then our levels follow. The same levels we've been talking about all week to the downside. Because towards the downside, we still haven't really made the move down. Remember, we have this low right here and this low right here. So, and we never finished the gap fill. So that's always something to keep in mind to the downside. Of course, I have no bias until I see what the market is doing. I think we can continue ripping new highs, but it's just kind of for us to wait and see. For me, the best entry for longs would be, a break above 670 or even this order block. It's Friday. Usually Fridays are a lot of manipulation. I usually don't trade well on Fridays because I be burnt out by the end of the week, and my patience just isn't there. My patience almost got the best of me yesterday, so today I limit myself to a trade with a certain amount of size, and I'm only risking a certain amount. And after that, I'm going on about my day. But 664.50 could be a nice spot for longs. If this pre-market low holds, this could be another nice spot. And then as far as shorts, 670 if we start getting a failure up there, or if we lose these pre-market lows and end up losing 664.50, that could be a nice area for shorts. So, or also if we don't break all-time highs, you can see we already rejected off of it once, twice, created this order block, so that's something to look out for as well. So I was looking at Apple for a post-earnings trade plan. I was hoping that we gap down overnight or like bled overnight closer to this 272, and after 272 I was planning on taking some longs, but I don't, since we pushed up, I don't have much of an idea. The 272 idea still works, but I'm not sure if it'll pull all the way back. But that's something to keep in mind at 272 level. If we tap it, we could bounce off of it, make a pretty good move. And that's all I'm looking for today on May 1st. So hope you have a great day. Y'all know what we do, man. Let's make this money and let's end the week strong. Don't give back them gains.